Jeremy Beats for real. Yo. I peeped you on the Facebook and everything, you know what I mean? We having a Smooth TV battle today, you know what I mean? But yeah, tell them a little bit about yourself.
J Remy Beats by J Remy. Like the page on Facebook. Got J Hunt, West James, and I make beats. Check it out on Facebook. Like it all. I'll be sharing every day. So give me an email, whatever you need, and we will get in touch with you and send you any beats that you need. And we will jump on mixtapes, anything. We'll do anything you want.
Right, he here for any kind of opportunity, you know what I'm saying, whatnot. I'm going to have him judge the battle today, you know what I mean, going with Baltimore Madman and Guy Grams, you know what I mean. That's going to go down, him and two other people for real. Alright, so see you at the battle. But first, you know what I mean, he brought two other cats with him and everything. So get up on them.
Yeah, my name's Johnny, a.k.a. J Hunt, rapper name. Yeah, you can check me out on YouTube, J Hunt Music. Just YouTube it. And I got a mixtape dropping soon. It's going to be out of my mixtape, so message me on YouTube if you want to cut off it.
Where you from, y'all?
I'm from Baltimore, Maryland, Brooklyn, Maryland. Down in Dunbarney.
That's what it is. Y'all came from all the way out there?
Yeah.
All the way out there, you know what I mean? It comes to the Smooth TV shit, you know what I mean? So what's your name, y'all?
My name's Wes. This is Wes Jones. Mixtape break come out pretty soon. Working on now. Hopefully it's some good shit. I know it's gonna be some good shit because I'm spitting. So yeah, just check me out.
I mean, y'all think y'all on that battle tip?
I ain't really a battle rapper, but I hop on the beat anytime.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. I spit. That's what it is.
Hey, that's what it is, you know what I'm saying? Hey, they came all the way down here. I definitely appreciate the love. You know what I'm saying? Yo, y'all can go ahead and peep this. Y'all already know where the people at, you know what I mean? So y'all can catch them on they shit. Make sure y'all cop their mixtape when they shit drop and anything else. Hey, they doing it big. Yo, he sent me the beats. I'ma peep them shits out. Hey, I was just listening to this shit, so it looked like his beats is whatever. It's definitely good, you know what I mean? So, hey, y'all hop on them beats, you know what I'm saying? Yo, you got a price range on them beats for real?
It depends on if you want to lease or get exclusive for real. Because if you want something exclusive, I'll make something new for you. What I got now is lease. So lease is going to be around $20.
Right.
And exclusive is going to be anywhere from $100 to $120.
All right, that's what it is.
But if I'm liking your music, I'll just hook you up.
Hey, that's what it is. So you definitely willing to work people that got skills. All right, bet. That's what's up. Well, yeah, I mean, hey, y'all got them. I'm about to go and get a couple more people and holler at y'all.